Oopsies! I came from the gym. While I was at the gym, I got a notification that a package arrived. Yay! From Zara! Always so happy to have a Zara package at the mail. This is the third online purchase. I did an in-store purchase while I was at Cebu. So, ang nakuha ko naman from that are two pairs of footwear, which I will insert a picture right here and right here. Anyway, let's open this na. Please lang, hulaan niyo kung anong favorite color ko. Wrong answers only. So we have here some pants that I could use for work, and then we have top that I can use also for work. So let's fit it right now. I'm not quite sure about that. What size is this? Oh, small. Dapat I should have gotten an XS. It's a bit loose, not quite the fit that I was hoping for. Now let's try the top. I can wear this for the office and pwede ring hindi. I really love the shirt. The pants, should I return it? I really, really like the top. Let me show you my other purchases from the Zara sale. A crop denim shirt, not super crop, but I really like how this fits. This one, it's a skirt. So these two are my first Zara online purchase. The second one was in store, the two footwears. And then the third one is, it's actually a bag. Wait, I have clothes, I have footwear, and I also have a bag. This bag I can wear during events or weddings. It's a two-tone clutch and it has a shoulder strap. See? Ayan siya. Ganyan siya. This one is silver and the other side is gold. Since the material is metal, magkakasya lang dito like mga flat na stuff. My phone won't fit in here but it's fine kasi hawak ko naman ang phone ko most of the time. The only issue with this is it came with scratches. I thought meron pa siyang like plastic film that covers it pero I've been trying. Mukhang wala talaga siyang film. So, puro talaga siya scratch up. I was a bit sad when I got it, but I didn't want to return it. I don't know where else I could find something like this in a very, very cheap price. This was just less than 1,000 pesos, and I can use it for events. Like right now, maybe I'll just change my pants. That's it for my Zara sale haul. Bye! I'm gonna take a bath now.